I welcome all of you, and there's a very good news for all of you who are aspiring to join as assistant engineer. और ये जॉब है in Haryana, but all over India you are eligible. So students from all over India can apply for this job of assistant engineer in Haryana. Let me discuss with the notification first, and then I come to its description. Civil, mechanical, electrical engineers in irrigation and water resource department of Haryana jobs have come. You know, elections are due in Haryana, so not only these two departments but more departments are going to come soon, and many jobs are going to open up for the students of Haryana and nearby states. So normally it is up to you. As I told you, everyone can apply, lekin students from nearby states normally try to apply for these jobs, and Haryana में even people from उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, राजस्थान उनको जॉब्स मिली हैं. पीछे जैसे लेक्चरर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर की जॉब्स डिक्लेयर हुई थी, एंड नाउ दिस इज असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर, सो यू कीप ऑन गेटिंग द जॉब्स. अब इसमें असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर सिविल की टोटल 104 वैकेंसीज हैं. असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर मैकेनिकल, असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर इलेक्ट्रिकल की सीट्स ये डिक्लेयर हुई हैं. बट एज आई टोल्ड यू, दीज आर ओनली 2 डिपार्टमेंट्स. More departments are going to come and you should prepare for that. So ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन 1 दिसंबर तक है, और 1 दिसंबर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, और 21 दिसंबर तक you can fill the form for this, and this is the detail related to this exam. Now you can go through this entire notification, detailed notification, and you can understand about the form filling. That video will be made and you can apply for this. Now this entire is the notification. I think you can go through this. मैं आपको इसका थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा what is the exam pattern. So let me explain about the exam pattern to you. पहले तो इसमें 3 स्टेज में होता है. एक प्रिलिमिनरी होता है, that is the stage number 1. Then there is a mains, and then there is a interview. These are the 3 stages in which the exam will be conducted. Preliminary, mains and interview. Now preliminary will have 100 question, 80 questions and 20 question. 80 questions are technical. This is the MCQ and this is the objective type paper. So preliminary will be objective type, 80 technical questions and 20 non-technical questions, and non-technical questions will be having Haryana GK, and I tell you, like, YourPedia has launched the module last time also, and Haryana GK and everything, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and all will be very meticulously covered. So 20 non-technical, 80 technical. Now let me tell you, these 80 technical questions are really good questions. अच्छे questions पूछे जाते हैं, और 80 technical, 20 non-technical questions, 100 question का पेपर होगा preliminary. And after preliminary there will be descriptive mains. So descriptive की कैसे तैयारी करनी है, YourPedia वो आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, आई थिंक YourPedia is the only platform where you can prepare for descriptive paper. That question is there, and in the mains they will call 4 times the number of seats. अगर 100 seats हैं तो 4 times candidate को बुलाया जाएगा for the mains, and then there will be interview, and in the interview they call 2 times. जैसे अगर 100 seats हैं तो 200 candidates will be called for interview. Now 87.5% weightage will be for mains and 12.5% weightage is for the interview. So these are the 3 stages of this particular exam. अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, तैयारी करना स्टार्ट करो, और भी डिपार्टमेंट्स में से पोजीशंस आएंगी, पोस्ट आएंगी. You can prepare really well. And those of you who are nearby Chandigarh area, one of the offices of YourPedia is in Chandigarh. You can seek the offline guidance also from the mentors. You can join our offline partner, that is ECP. You can prepare on that. And for online, it is available for all over India. You can prepare and prepare nicely for this exam. This is a great opportunity to all of you. So I'm sure you people will prepare nicely for this, and you can do really good in this. Thank you, and look forward to mentor you.